This is a love reading for you, Capricorn, for you and your love interest. And this is a general reading. So please note that this reading may not entirely resonate with you or with all Capricorn, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply as it is. And this partner could be anybody. It could be your ex, it could be your current girlfriend or boyfriend, or your spouse, or just someone you met, have a crush on. So it just depends what energy is getting picked and is coming out in the general reading. So, who are you in the relationship? Who's your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other in the relationship? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, I'm seeing a lot of swords. Definitely, both of you are talking a lot, or you both are very sharp. You both are forever strategizing, thinking, talking, very alert all the time. And your card is also is in the reverse, and your partner is also dead and out. Somehow, this relationship is not up and moving. It is down for a lot of reasons. And I'm seeing you with 7 swords and your partner is with 10 swords. You both are more or less going through a difficult time, and your partner little bit more so is feeling more under the weather and dead than you. Also, Capricorn, your some of your lies are going to come out, or are already starting to come out in some way, and looks like your partner is going to get affected very badly. Having said that, there is way more your partner is already dealing with. I'm seeing your partner has been hurt by some family and friends, some colleagues at the workplace, and now you also are going to give some surprises. So, it's like how many times can somebody die? This guidance tells me your partner is just going to die one more time, having died maybe 2 3 times before already, with so much not working out. These are very painful cards, and it's just how the setup is just that, you know it's not nicest of cards, but then this is how sometimes the relationships are, feeling under the weather, things not working out, certain lies coming out, or certain truth coming out, or something that was never addressed by you before, Capricorn, is going to get told to your partner in some way. So looks like that. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring, Capricorn, and what does your partner bring? So, you are already dealing with the lot, and maybe when you get asked some question, Capricorn, you have so much answer to give, and when you are sleeping or when you are by your alone time, you're thinking some more of how well that answer could have been. You see, the swords have multiplied or have gone up from 7 swords. I'm seeing 9 swords. So, one, in the daytime, I'm seeing you have fallen down, and in the night, when you should be lying down or in a sleeping position, you're sitting up. So, things are going upside down for you, not going all that right, and what needs to be done is not getting done. There is just so much going on in your life, and you may not have enough to tell to people or explain yourself, because suddenly the things are starting to come out and they're starting to affect you as well, Capricorn. Maybe some secrets that you kept for yourself only, or you felt should never have come out, have started to come out, and now you're not sleeping well. What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? Your partner is very money minded or very conscious. that he or she is not spending unnecessarily, money is not getting wasted. So lot of your partners worry, as I said, career wise, family wise, even with you, lot of things are not working for your partner. But he or she, no matter how bad is the situation, doesn't want to play with the money. He or she wants to keep the money going, keep the money situation good. So this is the strength your partner is bringing. He or she wants financial stability in the relationship, while the two of you are working out your differences or trying to figure things out or how to make it to run smooth. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who is a great advisor or someone who takes your feedback on board or who does definitely listen to you. You have lot of love for your partner, Capricorn, even though you may have played a game or two or may have had your secrets, but you truly love your partner. I'm just saying here is someone you believe is your trustee or is a keeper of your faith or love, and you believe your partner will always listen to you and do as you tell them. You also believe your partner has brought you a lot of good luck, so you're very sold out on this partner and you truly love this partner. How does your partner see you? Your partner also sees you, Capricorn, as someone who's a keeper, and no matter how bad a fight may get, he or she can still reach you and ask for things to be sorted or worked. So it's not like, a fight happened and then your partner doesn't go and do grocery or denies you money or denies you going on a evening walk or a party or dinner. He or she gets a hang on the fight and then life continues as it is. So very bankable partner, your partner feels you're very bankable, Sagittarius, and he or she likes you the way you are. Also, I'm seeing here is the both of you are believer in God, and you both may want to, maybe your partner may is not saying it, but he or she wishes for a marriage or union together. So he or she may also be upset with you, Capricorn, because you have not made a proposal yet. And in case the partner has made a proposal, then you haven't said a yes yet. So I'm just saying there is a lot of concern about that from your partner with you, Capricorn. Now, what is the strength and challenges? Sorry, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? You believe in the future together, Capricorn. I'm seeing that you believe this is the relationship you can handle or manage, and it's not difficult. You believe it's very easy to handle your partner. So you're a believer, and I'm seeing that a lot of times you have to adjust or give in lot emotionally for the relationship to work. And in the future, you're believing this emotional give and take will make the marriage or the union work. So you are quite positive and you believe this relationship will definitely work out in the future. What is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Your partner fears your family may not welcome them. Capricorn, you may have some difficult family member. It's possible he or she may have offended your partner, but your partner believes it's one of your family members or somebody in your family or friend circle who's your good friend stopping you from accepting you completely or making any future plans. So, this is the grouse or concern your partner has about the future with you. So, you want to talk it out. You want to see what is this concern your partner has with you, Capricorn, because you're quite convinced that the future will work out great together with this partner, and you are in love with your partner. I'm just seeing very beautiful guidance here. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You both are very alike in many ways. You may have both a lot of creative streak, and some of you are very well traveled, Capricorn. You may have done a lot of world travel, and your partner has had lot of creativity and inspiration going, and he or she may have, you know, out of nowhere created a greatness just by sheer inspiration. So in the past, I'm seeing you both have had a lot of nice career break or great going at the career. It's just that right now things are a little bit under the weather. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? It's a good situation. It's not such a bad or a tight situation. I'm just saying it's overall a good situation. This relationship is moving fast, and the two of you do talk a lot, and maybe you want to slow down a bit. Maybe that is the reason why you are hurt, partner, and Capricorn, you are hurt as well. But I'm seeing there is money in this relationship. The two of you have money, and you both have lot of material comforts in this relationship. So it's a very nice union, and I'm also seeing that you both on a regular basis stay in touch with your friends and family and extended family. And there are a lot of times when you both are just traveling. I'm seeing a lot of travel. Maybe you both love camping, maybe you both love to, spend weekends somewhere. So you are spending money on each other or in this relationship. So it's a good relationship. It's just that right now the guidance is maybe over few months or just this month or maybe since last month you are feeling little bit um, affected with certain words that got spoken or a lot of criticism that came along for you both, Capricorn and your partner. Otherwise this relationship is looking good, and it's going good. It's just also moving very fast, and as I said, there are a lot of material and creature comforts for the two of you in the union. You both believe in spending and having a good life, so you both are spending on things to have a happy life together. So this is how your reading is, Capricorn, for you and your partner.